Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Be Inspired. By using this channel I am creating some educational videos based on the subject maths. Along with the maths I am creating some puzzles also, and along with that I am giving some Vedic maths fast calculation mathematics tips. People who are feeling very difficult that maths is very boring subject and it is very difficult, I can't able to understand maths, and those members can just go through those videos and you will get your maths very easily, and you will never use the word that maths is a difficult subject. Please share, like, subscribe my channel. Hi students, till yesterday we just completed the estimation or round off to nearest tens, hundreds, thousands, and along with that estimation to addition, subtraction and multiplication also we done, right? And we learned what is the general rule of round off, that also we just completed. And now we are moving on to our next topic called using with brackets. In what kind of situations you need brackets and what is that we will see in the today's class. See your textbook page number 23, using brackets. Suman bought 6 notebooks from the market and cost was rupees 10 per notebook. Her sister Sama also bought 7 notebooks of the same type. Find the total money they paid. So what they done, actually they given Sama there and here they given Seema. Okay, so here Seema calculated the amount like this. So that boy Suman bought 6 notebooks, for one notebook is 10, so 6 notebooks is 60, and that girl 7 notebooks bought 7 notebooks, 7 tens are 70, so total is 130. And Meera calculated in this way. Both purchase notebooks, for each notebook cost is 10 rupees only. So first what she done, she want to know that how many notebooks they buy. They buy a notebooks total 6 and 7, that is 13. One notebook cost is 10 rupees, so 13 tens are 130. So in this way we can calculate. Of course these are the two methods and two methods are correct to solve the problems, right? Now which is easy? Actually Meera calculated is easy, right? So now they are asking that only. Try these. Write the expressions for each of the following using brackets. So we will do this in a notebook now. Let's start. So by using brackets you are going to write this, and now we will see this. Wait a minute. Write the expressions for each of the following using brackets. 4 multiplied by the sum of 9 and 2. Multiplied by the sum of 9 and 2. So first what you should do here, you should add 9 plus 2, 4 into 11, that is 44. Now B. Divide the difference of 18 and 6 by 4. So first divide the difference of 18 and 6 by 4. So first you should calculate the difference of 18 minus 6, means 12. In 4 table when you will get 12, 3 times. 45 divided by 3 times the sum of 3 and 2. So first what is there? 45 divided by 3 times the sum of is there, means bracket you should open, 3 and 2. Now first we will complete the bracket. So 45 divided by 3 into 3 plus 2 is 5. 45 divided by, now we will multiply this. 3 5s are 15. In 15 table when you will get 45, 15 3s are 45. So the answer is 3. Clear? In generally where you will get the of, then we will have the brackets. See, if you observe here in the sentence, this sum of 9 and 2. So here also we just use the bracket for 9 plus 2. And here difference of, and here sum of. So in generally we will get brackets in that situations. Okay. Now we'll move on to the next question. So what is the second question? He is saying that write 3 different situations for 5 plus 8 into 6. So one such situation is Sohani and Rita work for 6 days. Sohani works for 5 hours a day and Rita 8 hours a day. How many hours do both of them work in a week? Okay, so we will write a situation now. What kind of situation we will write here? Okay, we'll also go for two different members. Situation 1. I'll take two names. Vijay purchased 5 chocolates at 6 rupees per chocolate. Arun also purchased 8 chocolates with the same rate. Find the amount spent by both of them. So this is one situation. I just assumed like this. So next situation was what kind of situation we will go? Okay, we'll go for a situation like Ramu went to the market and buy 5 kgs of sugar for 6 rupees per kg, whereas Somu also bought 8 kgs of sugar with the same rate. Find the amount spent by both of them. So next situation was, okay, so we'll go for one more situation. This time we'll take names of girls. Rita and Seema both drink 5 and 8 glasses of juice every day. Find how many glasses of juice do both of them drank for a week. Here consider only 6 days. Okay, why? Because think that Saturday and Sunday they'll not drink juice. Okay, so in this way we can go for situations. Okay, I hope you all understand today's class. Wash your hands regularly, use mask properly, have a temperature check, avoid large crowds, and never touch your face with unclean hands. Thank you for watching.